Okay, students, we are discussing nucleophilic substitution reactions. In previous class, we discussed about nucleophilic unimolecular substitution reaction. Now, in this class, we are going to discuss nucleophilic bimolecular substitution reaction SN2. SN2. See, students, here nucleophilic bimolecular substitution reaction. It is denoted by SN2. Okay. So now we are going to discuss nucleophilic bimolecular substitution reaction. Okay, see, first of all, you know, students, what is a nucleophilic bimolecular substitution reaction means. The rate of reaction depends on both alkyl halide and a nucleophile are called SN2 reaction. Okay, the rate of reaction depends on both alkyl halide and nucleophile. Alkyl halide and nucleophile. Alkyl halide and nucleophile are known as SN2 reaction. The rate of reaction depends on both alkyl halide and nucleophile are known as and nucleophile. So this is alkyl halide and it is nucleophile. Okay, are known as SN2 reaction. See here, next point here, it is a second order reaction. It is a second order reaction. It is a second order reaction. Why? Because rate depends on both nucleophile and alkyl halides. See here, rate is equal to K into Rx means alkyl halide and Nu means nucleophile. Rate is depends on both Rx, alkyl halide and nucleophile. Rx is alkyl halide. Rx equal to alkyl halide. Nu equal to nucleophile. Okay, see here, it forms a inversion mixture. It forms a inversion mixture. Okay, so it forms inversion compound. It forms inversion compound. It forms a inversion compound. I am going to explain with help of example and mechanism. So it forms inversion compound. So here you have to know order of reactivity. Here alkyl halides is greater than alkyl halide is greater than primary alkyl halide is greater than secondary alkyl halide is greater than tertiary alkyl halides. So order of reactivity, so alkyl halides is a great and tertiary alkyl halides is a less. Okay, so here it is nothing but CH3X greater than CH3CH2X is greater than CH3CH3X. Here CH 1 2 3 4 is greater than CH3 then CH3X. Okay, so this is alkyl halide and primary, it is a primary, it is a secondary and it is a tertiary. Okay, so here X we may write, no problem, here X we may write. Okay, this is order of reactivity, this is order of reactivity. Okay, then we will discuss with help of example, we will discuss with help of example. Example, see students, CH3Br plus OH minus gives rise to CH3OH plus Br minus. It is methyl bromide, it is a methyl bromide, it is a nucleophile, hydroxyl nucleophile, it is a hydroxide ion, it is a hydroxide ion, it is a methyl alcohol, it is a bromide, it is a bromide ion. Okay, so example, formation of methyl alcohol. So this is example for nucleophilic bimolecular substitution reaction. Understand? So the rate of reaction depends on both alkyl halide and nucleophile are known as SN2 reaction. It is a second order reaction. Why? Because here its coefficient is 1, its coefficient is 1, then it is 1 plus 1 is nothing but order is 2. Here order equal to 2. Then here we have to write here order equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Then it forms inversion compound. So at order of reactivity alkyl halide, order of reactivity is alkyl halide is greater than primary alkyl halide is greater than secondary alkyl halide is greater than tertiary alkyl halide. So example, CH3Br OH minus gives rise to CH3OH plus Br minus like this. So we will discuss now mechanism. We will discuss now mechanism. Got it? So then we are going to discuss mechanism. So here one more point we will write, its mechanism can be explained through transition state. Okay. So here one more point we may write, now we have to discuss mechanism mechanism. It's SN2 mechanism explained by through transition state. In single step, that is called transition state. SN2 mechanism explained by one step is known as transition state. Okay, SN2 mechanism explained by the one step is known as transition state. So here explanation here I am taking C, H and H. It is a Br. It is reacts with nucleophile like OHA minus, gives rise to C, H, like this we may write, we may give configuration of 3 hydrogen atoms, and here OH minus attacks, and here Br minus cleaves. I am showing in one step. Both OH minus attacks and it is attacking, it is cleaving. Okay, this is called intermediate step. Intermediate or a transition state. Okay, it is called intermediate state or a transition state. Then what happened? It is cleaves and it attacks. Means C single bond H, single bond H, single bond H. Here OH is formed. Why? Because front side Br minus nucleophile is there. So no chance to attack front side. So it attacks only back side. So that's why it forms inversion compound plus Br minus cleaves. So this is methyl alcohol. It is a methyl alcohol. It is a methyl bromide. It is a methyl bromide. It is a hydroxide ion. It is a transition state. It is methyl alcohol, and it is a bromide ion. Okay, so it attacks backside. That's why it is called inversion compound. Attacks backside. Nucleophile attacks backside. That's why it is called inversion compound. Okay, so this is the mechanism of SN2, nucleophilic bimolecular substitution reaction, SN2 reaction. So here you have to know, students, nucleophilic reaction substitution reactions are two types. SN1 reaction, nucleophilic unimolecular substitution reaction. SN2 reaction, nucleophilic bimolecular substitution reaction. So SN1 reaction is discussed in previous class. SN2 reaction is we discussed now. So if the question is faced like this, write the differences between SN1 and SN2. Then you have to write SN1 reaction one side and SN2 reaction one side. So you have to write definition of SN1 and the definition of SN2 first one. Next SN1 is a first order reaction, SN2 is a second order reaction. Like that you may write SN1 is a racemic mixture which gives rise to, so SN2 is a inversion or Walden mixture which gives rise to. Okay, then SN2 order of reactivity, SN1 order of reactivity. Then example, for example you may write like this differences if you faced. So this is briefly SN2 mechanism. SN2 mechanism. Previously we discussed SN1 reaction. It is SN2. So nucleophilic reactions are over. Nucleophilic reactions are over. Next we have to discuss optical isomerism. Optical isomerism. Okay. So we will discuss in the next class. So this is briefly SN2 reaction, nucleophilic bimolecular substitution reaction. Got it?